Hi students, today we will learn about genetic code. 8 properties of genetic codes are: codes is a triplet, the code is degenerate, the code is non-overlapping, the code is comma-less, the code is unambiguous, the code is universal, collinearity and gene polypeptide parity. Genetic code refers to the relationship between the sequence of nitrogenous bases UCAG in mRNA and the sequence of amino acids in a polypeptide chain. In other words, the relationship between the 4 letters language of nucleotides and 20 letter language of amino acids is known as genetic code. DNA or RNA carries all the genetic information and it is expressed in the form of proteins. Proteins are made up of 20 different amino acids. The information about the number and sequence of these amino acids forming protein is present in DNA and during transcription is passed over to mRNA. The form in which it is transferred was not understood for long. Sugar, pentose and phosphate of DNA could not perform this job of passing on the genetic message to mRNA because sugar is only of one type and so also the phosphate. This leaves only 4 nucleotides to form the message for 20 amino acids, but 4 nucleotides are too few for 20 amino acids. This difficult problem was solved with discovery that a codon, hereditary unit of a gene containing coded information for one amino acid, consists 3 nucleotides, a triplet codon. Thus, for 20 amino acids, 64 possible permutations are available. This breakthrough resulted in 64 codons dictionary, the genetic code. According to the Bark 1970, the genetic code is a code for amino acids. Specifically, it is concerned with as to what codons specify what amino acids. Genetic code is the outcome of experiments performed by M. Niranjan, Okoha, Khurana, Crick and Mathey. Professor M. Nirenberg was awarded Nobel Prize in 1961 for his outstanding work. The Dictionary of Genetic Code employs the letters in RNA UCAG, adenine, uracil, cytosine and guanine. The codon for the amino acid, which are the same in all known life forms, have been determined experimentally. More than one codon can signal a particular amino acid to be incorporated into a protein. In addition, some codons serve special functions. For example, the codon AUG serves 2 functions: as an initiator codon signaling for the start of synthesis of a peptide and for the incorporation of methionine into the growing chain of a peptide. Other special purpose codons are UAE, UAG and UGA, which are known as ochre, amber and umber, all of which signals stop. They are stop signals. When the ribosomal synthesis site encounters one of these stop codons, the peptide chain is released and assumes its secondary and tertiary structure. Since UAA ochre, UAG amber and UGA umber do not specify any amino acids, they are also called nonsense codons. When preceded by an initiator region of codon AUG signal, start a new peptide molecule beginning with N-formyl methionine or F-met. The codons UAE, UAG and UGA signal termination of protein synthesis. This table shows genetic codes for 20 amino acids. A amino acids have more than one codon. Properties of genetic code. The properties of genetic code determined by extensive experimental evidences may be summarized as follows. Code is a triplet. As pointed out earlier, the coding units or codons for amino acid comprises 3 letter words. 4 into 4 into 4 of 4 cube is equal to 64. 64 codons are quite adequate to specify 20 proteinous amino acid. The code is degenerate. The occurrence of more than one codon for a single amino acid is referred to as degenerate. A review of genetic code dictionary will reveal that most of the amino acids have more than one codon. Out of 61 functional codon, A, U, G and UGG code to one amino acid each, but remaining 18 amino acids are coded by 59 codons. The code is non-overlapping. In a non-overlapping code, the same letter is not used in the formation of more than one codon. The code is comma-less. A comma-less code means that no nucleotide or comma is present in between two codons. Therefore, code is continuous and comma-less, and no letter is wasted between two words or codon. The code is unambiguous. There is no ambiguity in genetic code. A given codon always codes for a particular amino acid wherever it is present. The code is universal in all kinds of living organisms, prokaryotes and eukaryotes. DNA is a linear polynucleotide chain and a protein is a linear polypeptide chain. The sequence of amino acid in a polypeptide chain corresponds to the sequence of nucleotide bases in the gene that codes for it. Change in a specific codon in DNA produces a chain of amino acid in the corresponding position in the polypeptide. The gene in a polypeptide is codes for all said to be collinear. Gene polypeptide parity. A specific gene transcribes a specific mRNA that produces a specific polypeptide. This is central dogma of protein synthesis. Gene transcribes a specific mRNA and mRNA produces a specific polypeptide or protein. On this basis, a cell can have only as many types of polypeptides as it has types of genes. However, this does not apply to certain viruses which have overlapping genes.